So hello guys and welcome to the lectures of Basic Electricals, and today in this lectures we will discuss the resonance in series RLC circuit and the resonance in parallel RLC circuit. So and then we will solve some important numericals related to it. So before starting, let's know what is my resonance. Here in the circuit you can see the voltage across R is here VR, and the voltage across L is VL, and the voltage across C is BC. So here when the voltage source V is applied to the electrical network containing this resistor, inductor and capacitors are in phase with this alternating current I, then the circuit is said to be in resonance. And here you can see a series RLC circuit drawn in figure A, and the phasor diagram between VL and VR and VC is shown here. And in series RLC circuit, for the resonance in series RLC circuit, here we have the condition VL must be equals to VC, that is the voltage across inductor, the voltage across inductors and the voltage across capacitors should be same. I know VL is represented I into XL, and here VC is equals to I into XA. So we can write here XL is equals to XA, and you know XL is equals to 2 pi FL, and XC is represented as 1 upon 2 pi FC. So you'll get here Fr is equals to 1 by 2 pi root under 1 upon LC. Hence the resonance frequency is Fr is equals to 1 upon 2 pi and root under 1 upon LC. And here you can see the variation of XL and XC with the frequency. So here in the case of resonance frequency, we know XL is equals to XC, and the total impedance of the circuit becomes Z is equals to R, and this Z is equals to R is also known as the minimum possible value of the impedance. And here we have the different cases, just like if the value of XL is less than XC, that is at frequency less than resonant frequency, the circuit is said to be capacitive, and at the case that is XL greater than XC, the circuit is inductive. So since the impedance Z is minimum, that is equals to Z is equals to R, the current at the resonance is maximum, and that is equals to given as I is equals to V upon R. And now let's see the comparison between series RLC circuit and the parallel RLC circuit. So here we have given the different parameters, and just now we have derived the different relations for series RLC circuit. And let's compare with the parallel circuit RLC circuit. So the first parameter is impedance at resonance. So in case of series we have minimum impedance at resonance is Z is equals to R, and here in case of parallel we have maximum. So Z is equals to RD, and that is equals to L upon CR. And current at resonance in series case is given as I equal to V upon R, and here the parallel circuit, in parallel case we have minimum IR is equals to VCR upon L, and effective impedance is represented as here in series R, and in parallel L upon CR. Similarly, the power factor at resonance and at parallel, in series and parallel both are unity, and here in case of parallel also unity. And resonance frequency for series is given as 1 upon 2 pi root under LC, and similarly in case of parallel we have 1 upon 2 pi root under 1 upon LC minus R square upon L square. And here the quality factor is called, in case of series circuit, called as voltage magnification, that is omega R L upon R, and parallel, in case of parallel it is called quality factor is called as current magnification, that is omega R L upon R, here omega R L upon R. And now we can see a numericals. Here a coil having a resistance of 10 ohm and inductance of 125 millihenry is connected in series with 60 micro ohm capacitor across a 120 volt. At what frequency does the resonance occurs? Find the current flowing through the resonance. So here in this question we can see here the value of R is given as 10 ohm, and the value of L is given as 125 millihenry, and the C is given as 60 microfarad. And since RL and C are connected in series, so for the series case the resonance frequency is given as 1 upon 2 pi and root over 1 upon LC. And here all the parameters given, just we have to substitute all the values and calculate. So on calculating we will get here the resonance frequency as 58.12 Hz. And we know at series resonance XL is equals to XA, and the total impedance becomes at Z is equals to R. So in place of Z we will write the value of R, that is I given as 10 ohm. So you get here current I is equals to V upon N, that is 120 upon 10, that is 12 ampere. Similarly here we have the next one. Find the resonance frequency of a series AC circuit consisting of a coil of resistance 10 ohm and inductance 50 ohm and capacitance is given. Here you have to calculate the current and power at resonance and the quality factor of the circuit if the supply voltage is 200 volt. So again we have the case of series RLC circuit, and in case of series RLC circuit we have the resonance frequency given as Fr equals to 1 upon 2 pi and root under 1 upon LC. So on substituting the value of L and C, here we have given the value of L as 50 millihenry and the value of C is given as here 0.05 microfarad. So on substituting this we will get here 3.183 kilohertz. Similarly here so here we have the next one here, and the next parameter remaining is current at resonance. So I equals to V upon Z, and that is given as V upon R. Since we know in the series case we have just derived XL is equals to XC, so we'll get here 20 ampere, and power at resonance is going to be V into IR, that is 4 kilowatt. And quality factor for series case we have Q is equals to 1 upon R root under LC. Just we have to substitute all the values and then we'll get here the quality factor as here 100. Similarly here we have the next one, find the resonance frequency of a series AC circuit consisting of a coil. So here we have given the value of R, L and C, and the voltage source is 200 volt. And here we have to calculate the resonance frequency and current at resonance, similarly power at resonance and quality factor of the circuit. And see from the same, just now we have done the previous problems and it is related, and this numerically is almost same. So frequency Fi is given as 1 upon 2 pi root and 1 upon LC. Similarly, current at resonance is given as V upon R, and power at resonance is V is equals to IR. And similarly, quality factor of the circuit is Q is equals to 1 upon R and root over L upon C. So it is same as the previous problems. So let's move towards the next problems. And here we have a coil of inductance 0.20 Henry and resistance 60 ohm is connected in parallel with a 20 microfarad capacitor with a 20 volt variable supply. And here we have to calculate the resonance frequency, dynamic resistance, current at resonance and quality factor of the resonance. So this is the case of parallel RLC circuit. So in case of parallel we have resonance frequency is given as Fr equals to 1 upon 2 pi and root under 1 upon LC minus R square upon L square. So on substituting value of LC and R we will get here 63.66 Hz. And similarly here, if here we have to calculate the dynamic resistance RD and it is given as 1 upon RC, so we'll get here value as 166.7 ohms. Similarly, current at resistance IR equals to V upon RD. Just now I have calculated the value of RD and the supply volt is given as 20. So on substituting we get here 0.12 ampere. And the quality factor is given as Q is equals to 2 pi FRL upon R. Here Fi is the resonance frequency. So on substituting these all values you get here 1.33 as a quality factor. And now this practice problem 1.9 is left to you all guys as a homework for you. Hope you enjoy the lectures and thanks for watching this.